Lost your phantom wallet but have your seed phrase? Don't panic. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to regaining access to your digital assets and getting you back into the DeFi game in under 90 seconds. First, ensure you have your 12 or 24-word seed phrase written down securely. This is your master key. Open the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser or download it from Phantom app if you don't have it installed. Instead of creating a new wallet, select the Import Using Secret Recovery Phrase option. This is crucial for restoring your existing account, not creating a brand new one. Now carefully enter your seed phrase. You can either paste them directly or type them in manually. Double-check each word for typos. One mistake could mean permanent loss of access. Next, create a strong, new password for your restored Phantom wallet. This password secures your wallet locally, so choose something unique and memorable, but also keep it backed up somewhere safe. Once you've set your new password, click Finish. Phantom will now restore your wallet, including all your accounts. Congrats! Verify your accounts and assets are there. Awesome! You have successfully restored your wallet. Remember, protect your seed phrase like it's gold. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. And consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security. Stay safe, keep your assets secure, and get back to exploring the exciting world of decentralized finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tutorials.